Well, folks, we're back one other time where I'm finishing up the last of the 7 Up that we used for the two for we used for part of the two Skittles experiments. Uh, you know yes yesterday and Friday Friday and yesterday. Which we had used for part of Skittles experiment for Friday and all of Skittles experiment we did yesterday before I went to work and stuff. So yep, finishing up the last of the 7 Up we used from all that. Decided to turn the Jacksonville Jaguars versus New York Jets game back on because I think the rest of the Bills versus Philadelphia Eagles game is going to be quite ugly and stuff. Philadelphia Eagles defense I think seems to be just too good right now. Jacksonville Jaguars are continue to be ahead, 22-7, and the fourth quarter just started. Jacksonville Jaguars got the ball right now, and oh, did the Jets really just catch that? I guess so. Um, yep. Still working on my fall celebration meal and stuff right here. But, oh, well, they were just close to the 10-yard line, and now there's a flag down. All right. Um, thought we'd take a quick look outside and see what's going on out there. It's quite windy today. It's 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 quite it's 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 it, it's quite it, it's quite it's quite it's it's quite it, it's it's quite wind it's quite it's quite windy today. It's quite windy today. It's quite windy today. You can see our tree here, kind of almost center of the backyard, has fully, turned its color with its leaves, mostly bright orange and red and stuff, and our shrubs on this side of the place, pretty much all red, pretty much. And we had some on to get off again rain showers this morning. I had sort of rested after getting something done this morning, and heard stuff coming down like some pretty heavy rain. Had suddenly just came through Rochester and stuff. So there's good bit there's 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 a there's a good bit there's a good bit there's a good bit of a puddle right here in front of this shrub right here, a little bit down here. All right, that's all for now. Well, looks like Jacksonville Jaguars may have just scored another touchdown. I think it looked that way at first. Could be wrong. Um, but you know, oh, yep, breeze is picking up a little bit more again here. Wind's picking up. Wind's picking up. Wind's pick.